Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best piercing aftercare spray that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the NeilMed Piercing Aftercare Spray 75 ml. The NeilMed Aftercare Spray is an ideal solution for your piercing needs. This spray is sterile and free from drugs and preservatives, ensuring that you are using a safe product on your skin. Its portable 75 ml size makes it perfect for travel or when you're on the go, allowing you to maintain your aftercare routine anywhere. Unlike other sprays, this one does not cause any burning or stinging, providing a gentle experience for your skin. You can feel confident knowing that you have a reliable aftercare option that prioritizes your comfort. Moving on, at number 4, we have the H2 Ocean Piercing Aftercare Spray. H2 Ocean Piercing Aftercare Spray is a patented sea salt solution that was the first ever piercing aftercare product. It contains natural enzymes and sea salt from the Red Sea, which is rich in essential trace minerals for healing. It is fast-acting and helps reduce pain and inflammation, allowing piercings and other wounds to heal quickly. Customers have praised it for its effectiveness in healing stubborn bumps, reducing irritation, and speeding up the healing process. At number 3, we have the Base Labs Piercing Aftercare Spray. Base Labs Piercing Aftercare Spray is a naturally medicated solution that helps reduce healing time and minimize pain, irritation, and inflammation associated with skin piercings. It is powered by an isotonic saline solution that is packed with anti-inflammatory and skin-healing minerals, making it perfect for all types of piercings. The convenient spray dispenser bottle allows you to mist the solution directly over the piercing without interfering with the surrounding skin. At number 2, we have the Base Labs Piercing Aftercare Spray Kit. Base Labs Piercing Kit is the perfect all-in-one solution for keeping your new piercing clean and avoiding keloids. This kit includes a 4-OZ sea salt spray for piercings and a 0.5-OZ piercing bump oil. The saline solution in the spray is made from purified, distilled ocean salt water, which soothes and sanitizes the piercing, preventing irritations and further problems. The piercing bump oil contains jojoba, grapeseed, rose, and essential oils, which penetrate the skin and stimulate collagen production to minimize redness and shrink keloids. By using these products daily, you can create an optimal healing environment and reduce healing time. Plus, both products are all natural and free from parabens, fragrances, colorants, alcohol, and other skin irritants. And finally, at number 1, we have the MediCleanse Sterile Saline Piercing Fine Mist Spray. MediCleanse Saline Spray is an all-natural, alcohol-free piercing aftercare product that is perfect for cleansing and healing all body piercings and tattoos. With its unique fine mist spray, this product allows you to easily reach all body parts and prevent infection. Unlike other sprays, MediCleanse Saline spray does not sting or burn, making the cleaning process painless and hassle-free. Made in the USA and FDA registered, you can trust the safety and efficacy of this product. Say goodbye to preservatives and drugs, and say hello to a safe and natural solution for your piercing aftercare needs. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.